Today, we're talking about an ancient practice that's simple yet powerful, drinking water from an earthen pot or matka. Did you know it can help reduce bad cholesterol, control blood pressure, and improve digestion? Let's dive into the benefits and why you should consider this for your daily routine. Number 1. Reduces bad cholesterol. First up, drinking water from an earthen pot can help lower bad cholesterol. The minerals in the clay, like magnesium and calcium, balance the body's pH levels. This helps reduce LDL cholesterol naturally. Plus, since there are no harmful chemicals like in plastic, it helps regulate cholesterol better. Number 2, controls blood pressure. Next, it's great for controlling blood pressure. Earthen pots naturally enrich the water with potassium and magnesium, both crucial for heart health. Potassium balances sodium levels, and magnesium relaxes blood vessels, helping to keep your blood pressure in check. Number 3, improves digestion. Lastly, it's a digestive booster. The alkaline nature of the water helps neutralize stomach acid, preventing issues like acid reflux and heartburn. Plus, it aids in smoother digestion by promoting better nutrient absorption and preventing constipation. How to use an earthen pot. To get these benefits, simply fill an earthen pot with water. Let it sit for a few hours to absorb the minerals and drink it daily. It's a natural, chemical-free way to improve your health. So there you have it. By drinking water from an earthen pot, you can boost your health with just a small change. Try it out and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips.